Nobody wants a problem with you.
I'm looking going, they start these things. And you like, when my career starts, right, you can't have any success without jealousy, without envy, or entitlement.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Entitlement being the scary part because it's growing in someone you love. It's hard for you to see those things, the change in them. Like you can buy them a car and they go, oh yeah, but you could have bought me a house. And you go, when did I become responsible
These are
for you?
bad choice. You're making bad choices then. The character of the people.
Right, but these are
if
people.
If this keeps happening.
These are loved ones. These are people that are around you that like relatives.
You can't choose
them.
them.
You can't choose them. They're there anyway. Then you go, so now I go to see my grandfather the day before Christmas and leave before they get there.
The other family members.
I go see him the 24th. I'm gone. I don't know how. I grew up with him. I ain't stuck with him.
Oh my God.
I don't deal with him.
But what about people you choose, like your friends and women?
You choose. I don't. Look, we always had to kind of fend for self anyway when we was in the street. If we had, I'm like, yeah, we went through a period where he was feeling like that. Then he's like, yo, like, I asked him, I said, you think I'm supposed to give you something?
This is Yayo?
Yayo.
Mm-hmm.
And he was like, yeah, because you got so much, homie. And I was like, nah, that's not how it go. You know how, when we was hustling, did I just give you something out of the work that we was getting? And he go, nah. But I really had to go through that with him. Just at some point.
Hates that you tell that story.
No, I did have to go through that because it just was a point that he was looking, and I was like, nah, we don't work. It don't work like that. Life don't work like that.
Yeah, I feel like you've always struggled with that because we've had conversations where like you feel like people around you have not adapted well to your success or wanted or tried to take advantage or.
Yeah, if you not look, there's going to be changes regardless if you're conscious of it or not. Because if you, like the whole 55,000 square foot mansion thing, and that was about me being able to take everybody with me and still be comfortable. I can't sleep on more than one bed. I had 18 bedrooms.
Yeah. Who was you taking? Who was supposed to live there?
All of them. I had the neighborhood, right? Look, I had the whole neighborhood in there. They was gonna get killed if they was coming close to me. I have to say, though, you was definitely gonna get something happening to you because this is all they know from the neighborhood. And they going, wait, you going? So he messed up all the comfortable stuff that we had? Oh no, we definitely getting him. That's the way they would look at it because we was all together. Like I bring them with me at points. They didn't live with me all the time, or they could stay there if there was a problem at whatever was happening in the neighborhood, wherever they was at. So they knew that they had a place that they could go. And then I kept it for so long because it was a base for them. Then like almost they all could just go there at points.
And then you sold it for like nothing.
Yeah, like $3 million. And I gave the proceeds from that to charity.
Yeah.
I changing my lifestyle changes, and then like I got a small space, but my joint is like the jet.